In this video, we will show you how to assemble your GREENWORKS Pro Edger. This guide can be followed for all 60-volt and 80-volt edgers. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different. However, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Tools provided. You will need an Allen key. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the packing material and any loose, unassembled parts. Carefully lift the edger components out of the box and set them on a level surface. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Assembling the shaft. Loosen the screw on the middle coupler using the supplied Allen key. Align the release button with the positioning hole and slide the two shafts together until the release button pops into place. Retighten the screw on the coupler. Attach the auxiliary handle. Remove the knob and bracket from the auxiliary handle. Place the auxiliary handle on the trimmer shaft and set the lower clamp on the opposite side, sliding the full end into the groove and the open end onto the bolt. Thread the knob back onto the bolt. Ensure the handle is facing forward in a comfortable position. Tighten the knob. Keep hands and feet away from the edger blade. Check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. Thrown objects can ricochet and result in personal injury or property damage. Wear gloves and eye protection when operating. Protective clothing and boots are also recommended. If you purchased a complete kit including a battery and a charger, please be advised that the batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Before starting the edger, the power source must be connected. The trigger is located underneath the handle. There is a lockout lever embedded in the trigger. Push the lockout lever forward and pull the trigger. To stop the unit, release the trigger. Before adjusting the cutting depth, remove the battery. Loosen the depth adjustment knob. Slide the wheel into the desired position. Retighten the knob. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your edger, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS edger will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.